Oh, hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are going to be showing you guys this chair, office chair, gaming chair, whatever chair you want to use it for. Come on, let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright guys, so everything comes packaged, nice and wrapped. Nice, safe, secure inside here. So we're going to go ahead and pull everything out and show you guys all the pieces. Alright guys, so they give you your wheels, all the accessories needed. And let me tell you guys, this looks like really high quality. I mean, I'm actually very impressed with this. I love the black, and then you got the mesh, and then you got the white stitching. It is really nice. Like, this whole thing is extremely nice. Like, this is going to be a very nice chair for office or gaming or lounging. I mean, this looks really nice. And something that is really awesome is, well, let's open this up. So guys, check this out. It is completely transparent. Well, not completely transparent, but it's transparent and such breathability. Now look at this. On the back here, it actually has lower back support. That is extremely important if you are gaming or on the chair for a long time. They really designed this really well. Very nice. So guys, for this leg, you just stick it in and then you twist it up. Now we're gonna need two hands to do this, but you pop it directly up inside the socket. All right guys, so you have the front right there facing, and this also indicates right there on the front. So you would bolt it down in just like this. So let's go ahead and do that. So once you got all the bolts in, this guys is gonna act as your lever for adjusting the height up and down. So you know, that will work once you go ahead and you go through all of this. Now this is just to adjust the tension. This is going to go right on top of this, so that's going to go in there when you go ahead and mount it. As you guys can see, it is full 360 degrees rotate. Now you guys can go ahead and put the wheels on. The wheels just simply pop in, so you just simply from underneath push them in. And let's go ahead and test this out. So before we continue, I like to test out the pressure, so we're gonna sit on here and see. All right. Okay, so what you do is you sit up and then you pull up. So watch this guys. Now you pull it and it goes down. Sit up, it comes up, goes down. So yes, it is working great. So, oh, that is super soft. Check this out, guys. I don't know if you guys can tell. Look how soft this is. Overall, this is an extremely nice chair, guys. I think you're gonna be very happy. All right, so guys, I have actually decided we're not going to put it completely together because I'm actually gonna give this as a gift and get my own for our office because I like this so much. The design is so nice. So guys, with that being said, it is super soft. It is so easy to put together. I mean, I honestly used the directions for like one part of this and the rest was so easy to do. And this is a very nice chair, and I have reviewed very many chairs. You know, it's not like, oh, this is my first chair and, you know, oh my goodness, it's like so amazing. No, I have reviewed probably 7 to 15 chairs, you know, over the years, and most of them are the worst to put together. And then when you put together, nothing is worse than you put it together and you actually sit down and it's not comfortable. This is very comfortable. It is very nice. It's lightweight, so you can easily move it around. Overall, guys, I think you're going to be very happy, and we got to get another one. But I'm happy because I know who's getting this, so I'm going to take it right over now.